Hi, my name is Tony Abboud, and I'm the Executive Director of the Vapor Technology Association. Over the last several months, and frankly years, the U.S. e-cigarette industry has faced a withering series of attacks in the form of a coordinated and a calculated misinformation and disinformation campaign. Myth: the PMTA process works as intended. The Food and Drug Administration wants you to believe that the pre-market tobacco application process laid out by Congress, also known as PMTA, is just fine, that they have it all under control, and that they are using the process to scientifically evaluate less harmful vaping and other nicotine products. In reality, the FDA has broken the PMTA process when an acting commissioner stepped in to override both the process and priorities of the Office of Science within the Center for Tobacco Products. The FDA abandoned its scientific mantle. Most recently, those actions were deemed illegal by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. The PMTA process has been used by the Food and Drug Administration simply to perpetuate a political or an ideological agenda through a process that has simply ignored the science supporting the use of flavored e-cigarettes as a smoking cessation and a harm reduction tool. This process has allowed the Food and Drug Administration to implement a de facto ban on flavored vaping products, whether they want to admit it or not. It is a process in which they have refused to legally authorize any vaping products. Ultimately, enforcing this ban will shut down small businesses throughout the country, costing tens of thousands of American jobs and billions of dollars in economic impact and tax revenue for state and local governments. So by insisting on the removal of all vaping products from the market, the FDA and special interest groups are in fact endangering the public health of Americans who deserve access to what scientists have conclusively found in study after study are the most effective smoking cessation tools available on the market. The data does not lie. A number of studies, including one from a leading tobacco control researcher, proves that people trying to quit smoking cigarettes are significantly more likely to be successful if they switch to flavored vaping products. So it's time. It's time for our government to admit to and follow the scientific evidence to fix this broken and illegal PMTA process and authorize a broad range of flavored e-cigarettes for American consumers. The Vapor Technology Association is taking this fight head on. It is my hope, on behalf of the entire U.S. vaping industry, that in providing rebuttals based in science and data to the baseless claims levied against our industry, we will help restore scientific integrity to the U.S. regulatory process. The Vapor Technology Association supports science and Americans' freedom to choose the products that can work for them. Enough is enough. To learn more about the facts, science, and policy of e-cigarettes, please visit vaportechnology.org.